Ever seen those honeycomb-like patterns on roads before construction? Here's what they do. Those are called geogrids, and they play a crucial role in building stronger roads. The honeycomb design helps to stabilize the ground, evenly distributing the weight of vehicles and preventing the road from sinking or cracking. Plus, it allows water to drain through, reducing damage caused by water buildup. Want to learn more about how roads are made stronger? Hit that like button and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes insights. So next time you see that honeycomb pattern, you'll know it's the secret to making long-lasting, durable roads.